and I share with you another new video. So before I work, so many tick, paragraph title, bold, strong, heading tag, and also attribute, list, order list, button import. So now I work with you right now. Soup and soup, okay, and body. How to write this tag in Visual Studio Code. So let's see. We start this one. Okay. So suppose that I write a paragraph here, P. Then I click here. Here I write lorem, lorem 20. Okay, lorem 20. Then Control S. If I go to the website, suppose that here web learning, this one I open in website. Okay, see here I got one line. Okay, this is the paragraph line here. So if I write, suppose that if I apply the tag so right, SUB, okay, then I put here SUB, okay, Control S. Then I go to the website here, refresh. After that I got this one. Okay, so if I go again, so here SUB, okay, Control S. Then I go to the website, then I give the refresh. See, here is the small one. So if I try here SUP, okay, then I take this one, put inside, okay, then Control S. Then I go to the website, then refresh. See, this one going to up, but this one is small. So what is the difference between SUB? When you write the SUB, it will go to down and the letter will be small. And if you write SUP, the letter will be going to up and the letter will be very small. So if I go the website, then refresh, this one showing this one. Okay, so now I will show you how to write the deep tag in HTML. DIB, then I put here enter, it come. Suppose that here I write P paragraph, then inside I write lorem 50, okay, then it come Control S, okay. If I go to the website, then refresh, I got another one because of this one is inside of the div. Suppose that here I give another HTML tag, HTML header tag. Here I write hello world, okay. Here I write hello world, then save, Control S. After that I go to the website, then I write hello world. So this one inside the day. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.